Hey, what's up everybody? So I'm on vacation right now and I wanted to do a little short and sweet quick tip tutorial for you. Today I want to talk to you about the cover videos that you can add to your Facebook pages. Now I'm talking about the Facebook business pages, not the Facebook profiles. For this tutorial I'm going to be using Adobe Premiere Pro, but you can really do it in any editing software you'd like. So I have a video sequence here set up and ready to go, and now I'll go to export. I'm going to select the H.264 format and then select the standard 1080 Facebook export preset. Next, I'll simply change the pixel dimensions to 820 by 462. If the file size is too large, I can simply come back and change the bitrate settings to make the file a little more reasonable. To upload, all you need to do is go to the cover image on your page and select Change Cover. Once uploaded, you'll have 10 different thumbnail options. Now the thumbnail will show up when people hover over your page's name to get more information. These videos can be anywhere between 20 to 90 seconds in length. So I've created a free export preset available for download on my website. All you need to do is follow the link in the description. To add the preset, just go to the export settings dialog box, choose the 8.264 format, and import the preset. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick tip tutorial. If you did, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, go and download that preset and let me know what you think. And I'm gonna get back to my vacation now. See ya.